Hello everybody. So we are back with the one PYQ calculation drills part. Without wasting much time, we'll directly go to the mic uh, to the one PYQ app. There we're gonna attempt calculation drills, and as we've always done in the past as well, we'll be doing a few tables, a few fives, a few fours. Just a moment. Yeah, we'll be doing the tables. Uh, this and we'll only be focusing on multiplication for now, right? And as you can see, I can select the tables that I like the most or the ones which I'm weak at most. Okay, we will be choosing only those which we are actually very weak at. Today I'll be talking about a few more rules of particularly multiplications with 25, and I really hope that you'll like it. So 13 eights are 104. This is something which is very necessary for you to know. Then 20 into 4, 14 twos is 28. So another 0 behind it, 280. 30 twos is 60. As soon as we get a question of 25, which I have talked about here, the question of 25, what we'll be doing here is it's very, very interesting. I really want all of you to focus here now. So 56 multiplied by 25. Okay. There are two ways of solving it. First of all, that you read the table of 25, which is not at all difficult. The other option is divide and multiply by 4. Okay, divide and multiply by 4. The question was 56 into 25. We'll be coming back to it and we'll be solving a practice set. Okay, now we have 98 into 25. I'll do that as well. So 56 into 25, we can do it with the help of the table of 25 or by dividing and multiplying by 4. How does division and multiplication by 4 help? Whenever I multiply something by 4, whenever I multiply 25 with 4, I get the answer as 100. Okay, this is particularly useful because your number on the left hand side or the number which is being multiplied to 25 might be very, very random. Like this number is 56. Okay, it might still feel that okay, we are comfortable with multiplication by 56, but the bigger issue would be that if the number was 5789, okay, now, or 5788, now this would have been a problem that you have to multiply this entire thing with 25. So the better output would be, or the better way to optimize our preparation would be that you multiply 25 by 4. That's going to give you 100. That's going to quietly add 100 at the end, and you divide it by 4 now. Now we know that 14 fours are 56. So 1400 is going to be my answer. Okay, 1400 is going to be my answer, right? I hope you're able to understand what's going on moving forward. Okay, now I have 98 into 25. So instead of multiplying it by 4 and dividing it by 4, what I'll do is I'll quickly divide it by 4 and add two zeros in the end. So it's going to be 4 2s are 8 and 4 7s are 28. So 2700. The other way of taking things forward would be, as I said, 98 would be multiplied by 25. So I'll have to know what 8 into 25 is. 25 eights are is 200 and 25 nines are is 225. So 200 plus 225. So this is going to be 22700, and that's going to be my, sorry, that's going to be 25 eights are is 200. So 20 is going to go there in the carry. 25 nines are is 225. 225, this is going to be 2450. Is there something that is being missed? Oh yes, the something that is being missed over here is when I divided it by 4, there was a mistake in that. Okay, so this is 4 2s are 8 and 4 4s are 16 and 4 5s are 20. So 2450. My final output of this is going to be 2450. Okay, simply 8 1s are 8, 8 9s are 27. 278 is something that I'm looking for. Sorry, 728 is something that I'm looking for. 8 threes are 240. 240 minus 8 is going to be 232. 4 fives are is 200. 200 plus 16, 216. 5 sevens are 350, and 8 eights are 64. 640 plus 8 is 648. Similarly, this is simply 380. This is simply 320, and again 66 by 25. So I'm gonna divide by 66 by 25. Sorry, 66 by 4. That's gonna give me 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24, and 50. So 1450 is gonna be my answer. Why is it not coming? 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, then 26. 4 6 are 24, 4 fives are 20. Okay, it was 1650. I by mistake wrote 1450. Okay, it's 1650. For 11, for 11 I've already said that you have to give a space between the two numbers, and then add both of them and give a 9 here. Okay, so it's going to be 594. Okay, again this is very similar to the multiplication of 11. So if you take 5 from 55 to 8, it's going to be 40. 40 into 11 is going to be 440. Okay, this is simply 990. 71 into 25. See, this is how things really help. This is 4 ones are 4, 31. 4 sevens are 28. Another 3. 4 sevens are 28 again, and 5. So 1775, right? 15 twos are 30, or 15 fives are 75. 750 plus 30 is going to be 780. Similarly, 15 nines is 135. 1350 would be my answer. And 15 6 are 90. 9 is going to go there. 15 sevens are 105. 105 plus 9 is going to be 1140. Right? Now, 1320, 1320, 250, 720, 162. Now, 15 into 18 is particularly very interesting because there have been times that people multiply 15 into 8 and quickly write 120. So I want you to remember this part. Okay, I want you to remember this, that 15 into 8 is equal to 120. We are going to do the same thing over here. 15 into 10 is 150, and 15 into 8 is 120. Okay, so the answer is going to be 270. If you can remember 15 into 8 is equal to 120, that is going to be particularly helpful. Okay, moving forward, 54 into 2, this is 108 and 0 again, right? 25 into 4 upon 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, and 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Then we are left at 10, 4 twos are 8, and 5. 1225. Okay, 15 square is 225. This is gonna be 1460, and this is how things would proceed. Okay, so I want you to come here and practice it on your own as well. We will do a few more things. Let's go for square roots. Okay, this is the square root of 16. This is that of 12. This is that of 25. This is that of 10. This is of 6. This is of 11. This is of 30. This is of 676. This is going to be 26. 289 is that of 17. 729 is that of 27. 529. Okay, 529 is particularly interesting because this is something which is very close to 625. So this is 25, and then 24, and this is 23. So this is that of 23. 441 is 21. 196 is again 16. uh, just a second, we came out of the app. Okay, 14, yeah, this is 16. No, why not 16? Okay, this is 14. We were a little wrong here, again wrong. Okay, let me split it apart. I know this is very easy, but this technique is very much useful to you. Either there is going to be a 6 in the way or a 4 in the way. This is 1, this is the least one. It might be that of 14 or that of 16. So 14 is going to be my answer. Another 5, another 7, another 9, 13, and the story goes on. Okay, this is 19. This is 20. This is 41, if I'm not wrong. No, this is not 41. 900, a little less than 900. That is 39. No, again. No. This is going to be 29. This is going to be 29. Okay. 484 is 22. 324 is 18. And 9 is 3. Okay. So we'll now go back to our other side. Mm. Let's do a few number operations. Let's do a few number operations of that of BODMAS. Okay, 9 divided by 1 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 is in negative. 13 is in negative and 9 is in positive. So it's going to be minus 4. To this question. In this question, there was uh, a particular part where things get a little tricky. So we have 26 divided by, I'll be solving the bracket straight away. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 7 is going to be 42. So 26 divided by 42. 26 over 42 is nothing but, this is going to be 13 and this is going to be 21. 13 over 21. When I have 21 and when I'm dividing 130 or 13 by 21, I have a point. That's why this is already here. So 6, this is going to be 122, sorry, 126, right? This is going to be 4. So it went at 6, and then point, this is going to be 19 or something. So I can say that it went at 0.62. So when I enter the value of 0.62 here, then that is when I get the correct answer. Okay. Second, we are definitely going to correct the question once things come up. Then talking about 6 minus 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 9 is 30. So this is 6 minus 30. That's going to be minus 24. Okay, so minus 24 is going to be the answer. So I want you to come here and practice things on your own as well. Okay, practice things on your own as well. Till then, thank you so much.